Welcome to Exam Sale. In this script we break down the syllabus for the LPI Level 1 Exam 101 Junior Level Linux Certification Part 1 of 2 so you know exactly what to study and why. Overview of the exam structure and weights. Topic 103. GNU and Unix Commands carries 43%. Topic 104. Devices. Linux File Systems. File System Hierarchy Standard carries 24%. Topic 102. Linux Installation and Package Management carries 20%. And Topic 101. System Architecture carries 13%. Each domain lists its focus, difficulty, expected learning hours, and assessment style so you can plan study time effectively. Topic 103. GNU and Unix Commands is worth 43%, is labeled hard, and is estimated at 40 hours with hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain focuses on proficiency with the Linux command line, text processing, and process management. You will learn to interact with shells, use environment and exported variables, manage command history and aliases, and invoke commands by path. You will also practice powerful text filters such as sed, grep and awk, use wc, sort, unique, head and tail, and manipulate fields with cut, paste and join to process streams efficiently. Topic 103 continues with basic file management, streams and process control which are all part of the same domain and essential for real tasks. Expect to copy, move and remove files and directories, use advanced globbing, create archives with tar and pto, and compress files with gzip or bzip2. You will learn to redirect standard input, output and error, pipe commands together, use t, and combine or discard stvar and stout. Process skills include running jobs in background and foreground, monitoring with top and ps, sending signals with kill, managing sessions with screen or tmux, handling zombies, and adjusting priorities using nice and renus. Topic 104. Devices. Linux File Systems. File System Hierarchy Standard is worth 24%, is medium difficulty, and needs about 25 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain covers configuring disk partitions with fdisk or gdisk, creating file systems like ext4 and xfs, and initializing swap space while understanding mbr and gpt. You will maintain file system integrity using fsck, monitor disk usage with df and do, repair file systems in recovery mode, and manage labels and UUIDs with tools like tune2fs. Mounting skills include editing etc fstab, manually mounting and unmounting devices, configuring mount options and system mount units, and identifying active mounts and removable media. Topic 104 also includes file permissions, links, and file location best practices which are vital for secure and predictable systems. You will control access with chmod, change owners and groups with chown, and apply sudo, sgid and the sticky bit while configuring default umask values. Learn to create hard and symbolic links, understand inode implications, and maintain or remove broken links. Finally, you will learn the file system hierarchy standard, use find and locate, update the locate database, and place binaries, configuration and log files in their correct directories. Topic 102. Linux Installation and Package Management is worth 20%, is medium difficulty, and requires about 20 hours studied under scenario-based assessment. This domain begins with designing hard disk layouts for system roles and allocating partitions for system, user and swap with best practices for separate home, var and boot. You will install and configure boot managers such as grub and understand mbr and boot parameters, and you will manage shared libraries using lconfig, ldd, and configuration files. Package management is covered for both Debian tools like apt-ndpkg and RPM-based tools like yum, DNF and RPM including repository configuration, queries, upgrades and handling dependencies. And you will also learn basics of Linux as a virtualization guest.